White flower watercolor painting tutorial, and this time this is white Calla lily flower. An outline drawing is done and we need to really carefully remove the excess amount of graphite off the paper. This is white flower on a white surface and no marks should stay on the paper. Minimal graphite lines. Carefully remove as much as you can, only that you can see where are the outlines. Let's mix watercolors. Apply water to color palette. First mix is Sap Green with a little touch of lemon yellow, very transparent. Second mix is Manganese Violet, Ultramarine Blue, transparent yellow. As you can see, I'm starting to get gray, warm gray color. And another mix, Sap Green, and a little touch of ultramarine blue and lemon yellow for the stem. Now we can start painting. I'm starting with a little tip which is clear green color, and I always start painting from that space, from that little area which I'm confident and I know that it is easy. It's very nice way to get over this white paper problem. Many have a empty canvas or empty paper problem. They just can't get them started, so I always suggest start there where you 100% sure you will not mess up. It will be a nice push to start off the painting. Applying water to the first section and taking my gray, warm gray color mix and carefully looking at the reference, I'm applying this watercolor mix. Be careful that it's really transparent and very light mix. No dark colors with white flower. You will always can get it darker if you will need that, so it's better to start light and transparently, building slowly and leaving the white space wide. Be sure that your water is clean after mixing watercolors. Change water and use a clean brush. Work very carefully, looking at the reference, noticing, and mostly you are looking at the shadows. You are not looking at the light area. You are looking to all the places which have some kind of little tone of darkness, and that's where you are mostly working on. Everything here which is light will stay white as paper. You are working only on the dark areas. I'm going over all sections, one section at a time, and applying first watercolor layer where I see that I need it, using the color mixes we just mixed and carefully studying reference. The more you look, the more you're gonna see tonal changes, some details, some spots, color changes. Finishing this beautiful white calla lily with some last details, last layers of transparent watercolors. The main thing to remember is do it very transparently, very lightly, carefully, and everything is gonna work very beautiful. Hope you learned something new and tried this white calla lily. Thank you for watching, thank you for being here, and see you in my next tutorials. Bye bye!